Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be fixing my dirt bike.
Well, we're going to change the carburetor because it keeps flooding.
Step 1, we're going to take all the plastic off. Second step, take out the air box and the air filter.
So now we can get at our carburetor. So first we're going to loosen it and detach it from the engine. Right here. Okay, so when you twist the throttle, this opens up and down, right? So when it does that, it lets gas into the engine. And our next step is detaching it from the throttle cable, right there. To disconnect the throttle cable, you need to unscrew this screw with your head. You've detached it from the throttle cable right here. It's time to detach this right here. The fuel line, right? Yeah. And then make sure your gas is turned off when doing that. Then you also want something to catch the gas in, so you don't get a big oil spill. It's gonna be a struggle here.
Daddy, what's happening?
That happened.
What?
Hopefully you don't get gas all over yourself like I did in the last step. But now we're gonna disconnect the choke from the, with these screws. I'm just gonna unscrew those. Okay, so we have to take this off. Obviously we already unscrewed it. And then you can have the fun part, and wiggle and jiggle the choke out of here. Grab the carburetor. Brother, come here. Boom. Somehow get that out of there. Okay, hello.
Oh, that smells so good.
Okay, got it.
Are you filming? So next, you put the old color. You make sure the old carburetor to the new carburetor and make sure they're the same.
Once you've made sure they're the same, you want to unscrew this to install the throttle cable. So we just unscrewed the throttle cable and all of this comes out. But now we want to take this to the bike and install the throttle cable. To make things easier, disconnect the throttle cable.
So next, put the throttle cable into the carburetor like this. Next, put the fuel tube into the carburetor like this. Oh, I almost got it. Can we just take this elevator out? Or the
You got it. Yeah, push.
oh, baby hands. Oh. Let's just take the gun. Here, so many things in the way. No. got it before?
Probably. Got it.
So next, put the carburetor and connect it to the engine, like this.
Get it in there. Push it in. Evan, push it in.
Like that.
Now that it's connected, tighten this clip. Okay.
Yeah.
So next, you put the airbox and connect it to the carburetor like this. Next, you put all the plastic on. You fill up the tank and then go for a ride.